Well, how's it going out there, folks? Rooster in Tennessee, roostercb.com, another radio going up for sale under the used equipment specials category. Used this one earlier to drive that 16 pill with, and it is a Connex 4300 300. Has the Nitro Knobs on it, which all function. You probably can't tell in the video, but this one over here looks to be just a little bit more dim. The rest of them are shining pretty bright. So may be your thing, may not be your thing, but they're quite daggum pricey if you get somebody to put them on. Internal speaker not working on it, so we've got an external speaker hooked up. Again, we're just trying to get this stuff in here and move it down the road. It could be something as simple as the speaker's unhooked on the inside. I've seen that before, but to be fair with you guys, these used radios coming through, I try not to take all that time put into them. Just test them. Get them in, test them, and flip them as quick as we can. So that being said, we'll test this guy out. The trim on it could be better. Could use a new bezel or whatever. But other than that, it's a pretty good looking radio. I have actually talked to the guy that I got this radio from using this radio, and it sounds pretty good too. So let's see if we got their talk back working here.
Hello. Oh yeah. Hello.
Not the greatest sounding talkback, but that's to be expected on these Connexes. They weren't of the same quality as something like a Striker or something back then. Plus our mic gain was, we had it cut back pretty good there. Okay, let's see how it performs on the watt meter here. We're testing at 14.8 volts. So 1,000 watt slug. Let's see how they got this one set up. Talkback off will help. This is PEP, by the way. Audio 1, 2, bottom scale, 1,000 watt slug. So about 550 or so PEP. Hello, check, check, check. Audio, check, check, check. Audio. Okay. And then I got the dead key pretty low on this one. Probably 20 watts or so. Hello. So they got it set up even wide open where you're got it low enough to drive it into an amp or whatever. Hello. Yeah, which some people may like that, some people may not. It's doing over 300 average. Hello. So that's how it's set up, and that's how we're going to let it roll out of here. So that's it, everybody. Connex 4300 300. I had one person express some interest in it from the video, but they're kind of rare. Look, I'll tell you, here's the price range I've seen these things go from. And if you don't believe me, you can look it up on eBay for yourself. They bring anywhere, parts are not working, they bring like $300 something to $400. For a good working one, they bring anywhere from $450 to about $1,200. So it really just depends on the demand, how bad somebody wants one. They're getting kind of rare, and a lot of people are really crazy about them because they use 4x1446s in the amp section. Now, to me, they're probably the best, loudest, most dependable radio ever made that has an amplifier built into it. And that's mainly because the type of transistor that the amp section uses, which is the 1446. So to me, if I was going to run a turbo radio like this, yes, I even prefer these over the Longhorn. And the Longhorn's probably the second best to me, but these are number one. All right, thanks, guys. Rooster in 10, roostercb.com. This one's going up for sale. Remember, the internal speaker's not working on it. So you'll have to use the external speaker. But again, it could have just came unplugged. I've seen that happen before, but anyway, that'll be taken in consideration with the price. All right, thanks, guys. See you, bye.